Whether you seek to get away for Thanksgiving or the holiday season, or wish to celebrate the new year in style, you will find that on an American Queen Steamboat Company holiday cruise is a seasonal spirit larger than life. Travel aboard the American Queen or the American Duchess to experience the best of the South during a magical time of year. Plus, we have a great last-minute travel deal on all of our holiday cruises. For a limited time, save up to $1,600 per stateroom. Leave the cooking to us this season and spread cheer on a river cruise. Forget about the hustle and bustle of daily life. Experience the spirit of the holidays with our beautiful ladies of the Mississippi River, the American Queen and the American Duchess. Don't miss out on this great travel deal. Space is limited. Call 888-801-7464 or find your holiday river cruise deals online at aqsc.com.